everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very quick and easy and simple and delicious recipe, and it's going to be salted crackers, or we can say salted cookie. These are so easy to make, super delicious. So good. Enjoy your evening tea with this snack, and it's so tasty and so delicious. How I make such a delicious and tasty crackers? Without wasting any time, let's get started. These are so good, super yum. The ingredients we need: all-purpose flour, maida, desi ghee, warm water as needed, salt, black pepper, ajwain, carom seed, baking powder, food color. This is strictly optional. One tip I wanted to share with you: this is homemade desi ghee. I have a video posted on my channel. This is from clarified butter. It's a 1 cup. I'm using it. But if you're using a vegetable oil, then use half cup. I always list my ingredient list under the description, so please check it out. And let's get started. Get a mixing bowl. Add all-purpose flour, maida, ajwain, carom seed, black pepper, salt. With the help of a whisk, combine it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add baking powder. Food color is strictly optional. So once we added the food color and baking powder, we're going to combine it well again. Next process will be adding a desi ghee. So add desi ghee. Now mix it well. This process of mixing desi ghee with all-purpose flour called moan. Now we're going to use both hands. Basically we're going to grab it and massage it like this. So we're going to make sure that it's nicely combined. And keep mixing. The flour is nicely combined with the desi ghee, and if you see, this is how it looks. This is what we need. Now we're going to add water. You can see the color start to appear as soon we added water. So now we're going to make a dough. And this process will be the same process as making a dough for your chapati. The one we make for roti, fulka. It's the same process. For the exact measurement, please visit my description. I always provide the ingredient list under. We're going to add a little bit more water. So keep mixing just like this. So our dough is ready. So let the dough rest on a countertop. Then we're going to prepare salted crackers. The dough has been rested for half an hour, and this is how it looks. Look at this. Very nice dough is looking. If you have a cutter like this, that will be perfect. It will give you a perfect shape. Or something like these. You need these cookie cutters. So if you have those, then it will be perfect. But I'm going to use today this one. You need a rolling pin. Flatten it out as thin as possible. As you see, it's nicely flattened. To get the cutter, I'll place it here, and then I'm going to press it. Start from the corner, just like this. And we're going to lift, nicely cut. And I will keep continuing doing this. Get a fork, and like this. We're going to each cookie or our cracker, we're going to make it like this holes. Done with this, move on this side. We're going to press it again. So once we press it like this, then get a fork. As you see, it's nicely pressed in. I'm going to lift it up, get a fork, poke like this. So I'll keep continuing doing the same process. As you see, I'm done. Part is left, poking with the fork. And now we're going to lift dough. We're going to use it again. Don't throw it away. That's our nice crackers. So get a plate. Look at this, how nice. As you can see, all the crackers are ready. I laid out in the plate. And this is the dough. We took it out. And I'm going to do the same thing. The oil is heated up. So now we're going to place it inside the oil. We're going to deep fry these, and we're going to take these out once they are golden brown. So as you can see, once they start cooking, they start to float. They started to float, and this is how they look. And I'm going to put it back into the oil again to let it cook until they are golden brown. Floating right on the top, you need to just flip them over so they can be golden brown on the other side as well. That's the only thing we need to do. As you can see, it's nicely brown, and I'm going to take it out. Look at this. Our delicious. These are very crispy. You can hear. And I have a plate ready, and I put the paper towel in. We're going to place it in plate. Look at our crackers. We'll do the same thing. We'll start putting in more crackers in there. Just like this. Just be careful, don't burn yourself when you're putting it. And we're going to cook them until they are nicely golden brown. It's a quick and easy and a simple salted cookies or salted crackers are ready. And let me show you. Look at this. So crisp. Very tasty and very delicious. Please try and share your comment below how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.